Hello friends, today we are going to learn about cost of quality. So in this content we will basically learn about what is cost of quality, how to measure cost of quality, what are the types of cost of quality, and the cost of good quality and cost of bad quality. Let's start with what is cost of quality. So cost of quality is a methodology used to define and measure where and what amount of an organization's resources are being used for prevention activities and maintaining product quality as opposed to cost resulting from internal and external failures. So this cost of quality can be represented by the sum of two factors. The cost of good quality and the cost of poor quality equals the cost of quality as represented in the basic equation below. That is cost of quality. The cost of quality equation looks simple, but in reality it is more complex. The cost of quality includes all costs associated with the quality of product, from prevention cost intended to reduce or eliminate failure, cost of process control to maintain quality levels, and cost related to failures both internal and external. Let's take a very small example. Let's say Alpha company once measured a cost of quality as amount of warranty cost versus total sales. So in this method, only examined the cost of poor quality, not the cost of good quality. So this data did reveal a problem area in the facility. Now, the question is how to measure cost of quality. The method for calculating cost of quality can vary from company to company. In many cases, organizations like the one described in the previous example determine the cost of quality by calculating total warranty dollars as percentage of sales. Unfortunately, this method is only looking externally at the cost of quality, not looking internally. In order to gain better understanding, a more comprehensive look at all quality cost is required. The cost of quality can be divided into four categories. They include prevention, appraisal, internal failure, and external failure. Within each of the four categories, there are numerous possible sources of cost related to good and poor quality. Now we'll see the type of cost of quality. So cost of quality is broadly divided into two parts, that is cost of poor quality and cost of good quality. And cost of poor quality is further classified into two parts, that is cost of internal quality failure cost and external quality failure cost, whereas the cost of good quality is further classified into appraisal cost and prevention cost. Now we'll see the cost of poor quality in detail. So it majorly includes internal failures and external failures. So internal failures means the cost associated with the defect found before the product or service is reached to the customers. So if I have to say any example, so excessive scrap, product rework, work due to poorly designed processes, machine breakdown due to improper maintenance, and cost associated with the failure analysis. So all these are example of internal failures. Now, the another type of cost of poor quality is external failures, which is the cost associated with the defects found after the customer receives the product or service. So, if I have to say some examples, now the service or repair cost, warranty claims, customer complaints, product and material returns, incorrect sales orders, incomplete MMs, and shipping damage due to inadequate packaging. Now we'll see the cost of good quality in detail, so which includes prevention cost and appraisal cost. So prevention cost is the cost incurred from activities intended to keep failure to a minimum. Uh, this can include but not limited to the following. One is establishing product specification, second quality planning, and new product development and testing, and developing a quality management system and proper employee training. Now the second type of cost of good quality is appraisal cost. It is a cost incurred to maintain acceptable product quality levels. So if I have to say any examples in this, so but it is not limited to these examples. The examples are incoming material inspections, process controls, and check fixtures, quality audits, and supplier assessments. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Please feel free to comment for topics you wish to see as the next video on the channel. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment for more such videos. Hope you have enjoyed the video.